Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on moving contacts from your phone to your SIM on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Firstly, open the Contacts app. Tap the three horizontal lines button in the top left of Contacts. Select Manage Contacts from the menu that appears, then tap Move Contacts. In the From section, select Phone. You can tap to select contacts individually, or you can tap All in the top left corner to select all contacts. You can also tap a selected contact from the list, or tap the minus to the right of a name at the top to deselect a contact. Tap Done when you are finished selecting. In the To section, tap to select the SIM card that you would like to move your contacts to. Tap OK on the pop-up. Scroll down and tap Move. Your contacts will then be moved. Tap OK. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.